Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. What if I told you that Apple may have just revealed the exact launch date of the iPhone 18 Pro Max without officially saying a single word about it? This is not just another rumor. This is not a random guess. This is based on Apple's own pattern, its software timeline, and a small calendar detail that could change everything at the last second. Apple has officially released the first developer beta of iOS 27. Now you might think this is just another software update, but if you have followed Apple for years, you know this is a clock starting to tick. Apple runs on precision. Their hardware and software launches are carefully aligned. When the first developer beta drops in June, it usually means one thing: the next iPhone launch timeline is locked in. Historically, Apple unveils its flagship iPhones in the first half of September. Most of the time, it happens on a Tuesday. Last year, the event followed this exact pattern. So if Apple continues its usual strategy, the most logical reveal date for the iPhone 18 Pro Max would be Tuesday, September 8th. But here is where things get interesting. Monday, September 7th is Labor Day, and Apple almost never hosts a massive global launch event immediately after a national holiday. These events are not small press meetings, they are global productions. Journalists, creators, and partners fly into Cupertino from around the world. The company needs preparation time, they need rehearsal time. A holiday right before the event creates a serious scheduling issue. So what does Apple do? The most realistic and strongest possibility now shifts to Wednesday, September 9th. This date makes perfect sense. It gives Apple breathing room after Labor Day. It keeps the event in the traditional early September window, and it maintains the company's long-standing launch rhythm. But here is something many people forget: announcement day is not buying day. Apple always creates a gap between the reveal and the pre-orders. This gap builds hype, it drives media coverage, it allows millions of people to make their decision. If Apple sticks to its usual routine, pre-orders for the iPhone 18 Pro Max should open on Friday, September 11th. That is when the real race begins. Every year, the Pro Max model sells out first. It is the most premium version. It has the best battery, the best camera system, the largest display, and this year it is expected to be even more powerful. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature a massive 6.9-inch display, a larger 5200 mAh battery, a narrower dynamic island, and a new variable aperture camera system that adjusts like a professional DSLR lens. This could be one of the biggest camera upgrades in iPhone history. But there is another twist. Industry leaks from well-known sources like Weibo Insiders and supply chain reports suggest Apple is working on something completely new. For the first time ever, Apple may introduce a folding iPhone alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. Some reports call it the iPhone Ultra, others call it the iPhone Fold. This device is rumored to feature a powerful 2nm A20 Pro chip and 12 GB of RAM. That alone would make it a performance monster. On top of that, Apple is reportedly working on a nearly crease-free folding display. If true, that would solve the biggest problem folding phones face today. But big innovation comes with big risk. Mass production for this folding model was originally expected to begin in June. However, new reports suggest production slipped to August. That is a serious delay, especially when you are planning a September launch event. This creates a difficult decision for Apple. Do they delay the entire iPhone 18 lineup just to launch everything together? Or do they protect their main revenue driver and launch the Pro models on time? Experts believe Apple will choose a staggered launch strategy. This means the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max will likely be announced and released on schedule. Meanwhile, the folding iPhone could arrive weeks later. We have seen Apple do something similar before. Think back to the iPhone X. It was announced with the iPhone 8 lineup, but released later due to production challenges. Apple has experience handling split launches without hurting overall sales. If this pattern repeats, the iPhone 18 Pro Max would likely hit store shelves on Friday, September 18th. That would follow Apple's typical one-week gap between pre-orders and retail availability. So right now, all signs point toward this timeline: September 9th for the announcement, September 11th for pre-orders, September 18th for official release. But remember, even the most reliable leaks can change. Supply chain shifts, production challenges, last-minute adjustments. Apple is known for keeping final decisions extremely secret. Still, when you connect the software release timeline, historical launch behavior, holiday conflicts, and supply chain data, the picture becomes very clear. The countdown has already started.